What if I told you that the most powerful force in the universe is born from the death of a star, a place where time stops, and even light can't escape? This is not sci-fi, this is a black hole. And today, we're diving into how they're made, from start to singularity. Every black hole begins its life as a star, but not just any star. We're talking about stars at least 20 times more massive than our own sun. Imagine the fury contained within, the nuclear inferno raging in its core. Inside these stellar giants, a constant battle is being waged between outward pressure from nuclear fusion and the relentless inward crush of gravity. It's a delicate balancing act, a cosmic dance that can last for millions, even billions of years. But this balance, it won't last forever. The clock is ticking from the moment these stars are born. As the star ages, it devours its nuclear fuel, the hydrogen fusing into helium, then heavier elements. Eventually, the star nears its end, the fusion slows, the outward pressure weakens, and gravity always wins. The core, once a furnace of creation, collapses in on itself at unimaginable speeds. This triggers one of the most spectacular events in the cosmos, a supernova. Imagine a star, millions of times brighter than our sun, exploding with the energy of a billion atomic bombs. But the real story, the birth of something far stranger, is happening deep within the heart of that explosion. If the remaining core, the stellar corpse left behind by the supernova, is massive enough, at least 3 times the mass of our sun, something truly mind-boggling occurs. Gravity's grip tightens, becoming inescapable. The core continues to collapse, not just into itself, but beyond imagination. Atoms are crushed into oblivion. Space and time, the very fabric of our universe, bend and distort beyond recognition. What was once a star is now a singularity, an infinitely dense point, a cosmic abyss in the fabric of space-time. And surrounding this singularity, the ultimate cosmic trap, the event horizon. Cross this invisible boundary, and you're gone forever, lost to the pull of the black hole. Chapter 4. Mind-blowing facts about black holes. Black holes are cosmic enigmas, pushing the boundaries of physics and challenging our very understanding of the universe. Think about this. Nothing, not even light, the fastest thing in the universe, can escape the gravitational pull of a black hole once it crosses the event horizon. Time itself slows down as you approach a black hole. Imagine looking back at the universe from the edge of oblivion, watching as eons pass in the blink of an eye. And if you were to fall into a black hole, let's just say it wouldn't be pretty. You'd be stretched and squeezed like a cosmic noodle, a process scientists eloquently call spaghettification. Perhaps most intriguing of all, we still don't fully understand what happens inside a black hole. Do the laws of physics as we know them break down? It's a question that keeps cosmologists up at night, staring at the stars and wondering. Chapter 5. Types of black holes. The stellar black holes born from dying stars are just one type. Scattered across the universe like cosmic leviathans are supermassive black holes. These behemoths are millions, even billions of times the mass of our sun. Imagine the gravitational pull of a billion suns concentrated into a single point. It boggles the mind. Astronomers believe these supermassive black holes reside at the centers of most galaxies, including our own Milky Way. We call ours Sagittarius A*, a name that belies its awesome power. It's a silent giant, lurking at the heart of our galaxy, shaping the destiny of stars and solar systems, including our own. Chapter 6. Are black holes dangerous? It's a fair question. After all, black holes are often portrayed as cosmic vacuum cleaners, sucking up everything in their path. But the truth is a bit more nuanced. While their gravity is immense, their reach is finite. Black holes don't suck things in any more than our sun sucks in the Earth. It's all about gravity. You'd have to get very close to a black hole to be in any real danger. And thankfully, the nearest known black hole is over 1,000 light-years away. That's a comfortable distance, even on a cosmic scale. Still, the idea of something so massive, so invisible, lurking out there in the darkness of space, terrifying, and utterly fascinating. Chapter 7. The mystery continues. Black holes are a paradox, born from destruction, yet they shape the universe as we know it. They are cosmic sculptors, their gravity influencing the formation of galaxies and the dance of stars. They bend reality, distort time, and challenge everything we thought we knew about the universe. And here's the thing, we've only just begun to understand them. What other secrets do these cosmic chasms hold? What happens when matter disappears beyond the event horizon, never to be seen again? The quest to understand black holes is a journey into the heart of the greatest mysteries of the cosmos. And who knows what we'll find waiting for us when we get there. Outro: what lies beyond the event horizon. We've journeyed from the hearts of dying stars to the edge of infinity, glimpsing the terrifying beauty of black holes. These cosmic abysses, once relegated to the realm of science fiction, stand as testaments to the universe's boundless capacity for both creation and destruction. But perhaps most importantly, black holes remind us that the universe is full of wonders yet to be discovered. So, keep looking up, keep questioning, and never stop exploring the cosmos and all its mysteries.